Welcome to IDET 2025 in the heart of Central Europe, Czech Republic. Army Recognition Group is the official media partner of this event. Today, we take you into a virtual tour of this exhibition. Stay with us for daily news, exclusive interviews, exclusive reports, and web TV coverage from the key industrial players in the defense and security sector. On the opening day of IDET 2025, the Czech Republic showcased its growing defense capabilities, transforming both the outdoor and indoor exhibition spaces into a display of military modernization. Outside, the Czech Army presented key platforms including the CV-19 Mk3 infantry fighting vehicle, operational Pandur 2 units, and Leopard 2 tank. Its new air defense assets, the Rafael Spider SR and Elta LM radar system, also drew attention. Inside, the focus was on the innovation and modularity. Excalibur Army unveiled the Pandur 2 8x8 Evo IFV as the next-generation modular vehicle for Czech forces. SVOS highlighted its Mars 4x4 platform, fitted with subs RBS 70 and NG, pointing to the rising demand for mobile shortcut systems. Glomax MS unveiled the Toyota Chamois with ZSM 12.7mm remote weapon station for light and special forces. Major European defense groups, Rheinmetall, KNDS, SVT Group, and Patria were present, signaling stronger industrial ties and collaborative potential in Central Europe. At IDET 2025, the Czech defense industry made clear its ambition to shape regional security through advanced, versatile capabilities.